KaziRa presents 10 home remedies for gum infections. Before that, please subscribe our channel and click the bell to turn on notifications to catch our next upload. Gum disease is extremely common. 95% of us will suffer from it at some point in our lives. Now who's afraid of the dentist? I bet that's another high percentage of you. So it's no wonder we look for a home remedy for our oral ailments before taking the plunge and heading to the dental surgery. Are home remedies effective for gum infections? Well, it depends on the exact type of infection and its severity. In some cases you can't avoid the dentist. However, if you've got a mild infection there are several great options. Luckily, I've done the research for you. Read on for 10 home remedies for gum infections. The symptoms of gum infection. Depending on the exact gum infection in question, the symptoms can vary slightly. Watch out for the following signs of gum infection: red, swollen gums, bleeding when brushing, gum pain or tenderness, bad taste in the mouth, bad breath, visible pus or lump on gum, sensitive teeth. Causes of gum infection. The main cause of gum disease is poor oral hygiene. Plaque builds up between the gum and tooth, eventually infecting the gum. Having a chipped tooth is also a risk factor, along with smoking, genetic predisposition, poor diet, and stress. Here are the 10 most effective home remedies for gum infections. Number 1. Garlic. Garlic contains a compound called allicin which imparts antimicrobial properties. A study in the Journal of Medicinal Food tested allicin against dental caries and periodontitis. It was found to be effective against all the tested bacteria. Crush 1 clove of garlic and mix with the same volume of honey or coconut oil to form a paste. Let it sit for minutes and then apply to the gums. Number 2. Clove oil. My pharmacist recommended clove oil when I had toothache a few years ago, so I can attest to its efficacy. It has antifungal, antiseptic, bactericidal, and pain-killing properties. It may also soothe inflammation. After brushing your teeth, massage your gums very gently with clove oil. Repeat twice daily until resolved. Number 3. Peppermint oil. Peppermint is another essential oil with antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties. It also has a cooling effect as a result of its menthol content. After brushing your teeth, massage your gums very gently with peppermint oil. Repeat twice daily until resolved. 4. Salt water solution. Salt water kills bacteria by sucking all the liquid from their cells and bursting them. Not a pretty image, but this is just what we want when it comes to fighting gum infection. It can also draw out fluid from your gums to bring down swelling. Dissolve 1 teaspoon of salt in half cup of warm water. Rinse your mouth thoroughly with the solution for about a minute. Repeat several times a day until resolved. 5. Tea. Black tea in particular contains high levels of tannic acid which combat pain and inflammation. It also contains antioxidants which may be useful for infection. Steep a tea bag in hot water for 10 minutes, and then allow it to cool. Place the tea bag on the affected gum area for 5 minutes. Repeat several times a day until resolved. 6. Turmeric paste. Turmeric is a spice used in Asian and Middle Eastern medicine for hundreds of years. The active constituent is curcumin, which has antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. The Journal of Natural Science, Biology, and Medicine suggests making a paste made from 1 teaspoon of turmeric with half teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of mustard oil for gingivitis and periodontitis. You should rub your teeth and gums with this paste twice daily. 7. Aloe vera. Aloe vera has a cooling and soothing effect on skin and gums. The Journal of the Indian Society of Periodontology concluded that aloe vera mouthwash can be used for gingivitis. You can buy plain aloe vera juice for this purpose or apply aloe vera gel directly to the gums. 8. Hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide is commonly used to whiten teeth, but did you know it's also a strong antimicrobial? Make sure you use the 3% solution, not the highly concentrated one. Mix the hydrogen peroxide with an equal quantity of water. Rinse your mouth with this, then spit it out. Repeat a few times a week, not more than that, as it can cause irritation. Also make sure never to swallow it. 9. Manuka honey. Manuka honey is a special strain of honey from New Zealand. It has potent antibacterial and healing properties backed by scientific evidence. A study in the Journal of the International Academy of Periodontology found that Manuka honey could be used to reduce dental plaque and gingival bleeding. Apply the honey directly to your gums, but avoid getting too much on your teeth as it is high in sugar. 10. Cranberry juice. Cranberry juice is high in vitamin C, which may help fight infection. It also helps stop bacteria adhering to your teeth. A study in the Journal of Periodontology linked low vitamin C with higher rates of periodontal disease. Drink a small glass of cranberry juice daily to reap the benefits. The above options are all great in very mild cases of gum infection or while waiting a few days for a dental appointment. However, if your symptoms don't improve after a few days or get worse at all, you must see your dentist immediately. If you suspect that you have an abscess in your gum, don't try to treat it yourself, as it can spread easily to the bloodstream, which can be fatal. The dentist will most likely drain the abscess and give you antibiotics to clear up the infection. I ask 3 favors. Please subscribe, share it with your friends and family, and give like. Thanks for watching.